I'm here today to tell you what to expect when you call Impact Roofing. Most of the time people call us because they're referred to us by their family or friends. They've seen our trucks in their neighborhood, or they've seen us working on a house in their community. Or they look us up online and read one of our hundreds of 5-star reviews. When you call us, you're going to speak with our intake specialist. We're going to learn all about the type of roof that you have, and they're going to make sure that you get the correct roof specialist for your roofing system. We do it the old-fashioned way. We get out our ladder, we get onto your roof, we take lots of good photos, and we show you the condition of your roof. This isn't just guesswork. We have extensive knowledge. It's one of our core values. And we want to make sure that we give you the knowledge to make the best decision for your roof. Once you choose the roofing system that makes the most sense for you, we'll provide you a same-day quote, schedule your roof installation, and then it's time for your new roof. Party time!
Good, one more time, come on.
On the day of install, we're going to send out a full crew. Your roof specialist that you've talked to from the beginning will be there to make sure that your install happens flawlessly. And usually, we can have it buttoned up in a day. On larger or more complicated roofs, it can take 2 days. If your roof requires a 2-day install, we'll make sure that the area is clean and everything is safe while overnight. On that note, we know that your property and landscaping is very important to you, so that makes it very important to us. We lay down tarps to protect any items and especially your landscaping. Many of our customers say other than their new roof, they can't even tell that we were there. Our quality and your satisfaction are important to us. So your roof specialist will come back out after the install to make sure that you're satisfied with the roof that you have. Integrity is what you do when no one is looking. Knowledge is super important when choosing a roof replacement contractor. Service really is just helping people. And that's what we want to do at Impact Roofing. We want to help you make the right decision for your home. We want to serve our community, one another, and we want to serve you. We believe these core values are what allow us to have hundreds of 5-star reviews and hundreds of great experiences with our customers and our community. Operating from core values is a choice, and at Impact Roofing, we choose excellence.